Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. Today's video is a new release for us. It's our zero clearance fence for Flex 24 volt dual bevel slider. This happens to be our notch version, and I would like to take a few minutes. If you're new to us, you might want to watch this. These fences do not require any modifications to the saw. I'll go ahead and remove the hardware that holds it on. The hardware kit does come standard with the fence. You do get a left and right fence with the kit, and they go right into the standard holes that are in the actual saw that comes with it. So I'm going to put that back on. The hardware kit comes with a hex key, and so what you do is you start these, just snug them in there, and then you take these branding stickers, stick them underneath, and then you tighten it up with the hex key, and that sets the height so when you turn your table you're not going to be rubbing against that zero clearance fence. I'd like to talk a little bit about this table insert. One thing that we did unique to it is we've added length to it here over the OEM one. If I take the OEM one, you can see it is shorter, and here we added distance right in this area right here. Another thing you might notice is the hardware is not black like it is for the OEM. You can reuse the OEM hardware that comes with it, but this happens to be a separate listing that we have on our website. You can buy this. It comes as a set of 6. And here's the insert right here, just so you can see. It's quite involved to make this. There's quite a bit of work in making this insert. So we've made it as big, as wide as possible to give it the maximum support for your material. It gives you much more support over the OEM one. You can see they did a pretty good job of supporting it, but ours is solid machine from high density polyethylene. This is our kit that we offer for the replacement, or if you just want stainless steel, you can get that off our website. It comes with a kit of 6. This is our standard zero clearance fence. Again, it comes with the left and the right, and as I mentioned before, it does come with a hardware kit if you buy this from us. All of these items can be found on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. If you like this video, like, subscribe, or share. Don't forget, if you need the best, choose CFS. See you next time.